A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Friday for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Lancaster, Saunders, and Seward. Strong winds north of thunderstorms. Strong winds up to 50 miles per hour are occurring behind the main line of thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 12:15 a.m. for northern Lancaster, northeastern Seward, southeastern Butler, and southern Saunders counties. At 11:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Valparaiso, or 13 miles southwest of Wahoo, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe storm will be near Valparaiso around 11:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Ceresco. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 12:15 a.m. Friday for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Lancaster, Saunders, and Seward.